Hey guys, what is up, Interville? Today we're gonna be assassinating people. Isn't that cool? Yeah.
Hello, Scooty, my gang.
Are you not gonna grab the shotgun that's literally right behind me?
Ooh, a shotgun.
This is not gonna be too long of a video because I am going to Red Lobster today. So
We're gonna be nuking
no.
lobbies, killing people, and that's pretty much it.
No, we're assassinating.
Yeah, that's what you do. I'm gonna use golden revolvers.
Anyway, join me.
Wait. It has to
No. Wait, so, yeah. Hey, guys, who here wants me to assassinate somebody? Who here wants me to assassinate somebody?
No.
Yo, wait, dude, Pink. Can you hire me to assassinate? Do you want to hire me to assassinate somebody?
I'll do it.
Wait, just wait. What?
Assassins. I'll do it. I'll pay the money. I'll pay up the bills, buddy.
Okay, just wait. I gotta go assassinate somebody for money. Okay. What's your payment? Dude? What's your payment?
You heard me, nobody likes
The payment a grappler.
Seven?
Alright, hold on.
Who do you want me to kill? Who do you want me to kill?
Let me look at the board. I'm a little curious who's on here. You know what? I'll be an assassin.
I'm getting a grappler out of this.
Alright, I want you to kill.
I want you to.
You.
I'll be an assassin.
This guy. The
Clouds?
Perkily.
Hello, everyone.
The cat.
Wait.
Is anyone here?
Can you hire me to be an assassin too?
I'm sorry, but this is for a video. I'm sorry.
I know.
What weapons do you use? Let me show you.
This is
I gotta see
PvP.
though. That's the weapons, man. Who's PvP?
Oh, damn.
I'm on my job real quick. Just wait.
Bigger.
Cat.
What's boy? I thought
Killing mountain managers to survive.
Yeah,
because he's red.
bigger.
What's the
I'm
code?
bigger. RPG big. RPG big?
They
Yeah,
do.
buddy.
Monkeys.
Okay. I mean, I could guess them. Ethan, do I answer now?
Yo, Blue Cow, where are you?
Just use the. Alright, just kill. I'll get a crossbow. Follow me. Ethan.
Monkey.
Follow me. I got a mission
I'm on
for
my
you.
job. I'm sorry.
There's no monster in the box. That thing I lied about.
Day 5.
Who wants to go play ogre with me?
Blue.
You have to add me. I'm set.
I did. Do I enter?
I'm in the thick of it. Everybody knows. They know my work. Knows I see it. They
I'm set 6.
40 charges.
Yo, I do not see you online.
I did.
I'm in my front.
Do I answer now?
11 out of 10.
From the screen to the ring to the pen to the king was my crown. That's my. Wait. Where's my.
Stop swearing.
I don't even
Mom, we
see
know her,
you.
but I need to go feed my babies.
What the heck?
What? Hey, yo.
The heck?
No, what?
Go on behind you, beta. Where's the not Ohio Riz, bro? You have 0 Ohio.
Does anyone want to join the evil?
Okay, get ready. Hey, yo, dude. Come on, let's go assassinate some people. Hey, do you want to hire us to assassinate somebody for you?
Yeah.
Who?
Blue.
Bet.
I can't buy anything?
Okay, dude. Be stealth. Where even?
Gustavo!
Yo. This is our job, what? We're hire everybody.
Why is everybody fighting me?
Because
It's because I hired them.
Messi, go!
go out, and then it will be less brutal for you.
You hired the. You don't even have any beds that you have.
Please go out, bro.
You have to
It
find
will make my job easier, bro. I want to get paid. Please, please.
Bro, can someone go mining
I
with
need
me?
to get
You have to pay for
paid.
some
I'm
stuff.
Can somebody
poor.
go
I
mining
live
with
in an
me?
apartment.
No, I'm not going
Please.
But I need help.
Y'all want to hit?
I killed him! I killed him! I killed him!
Bro, can someone go mining
I
with
killed
me?
him, dude! I killed him!
Bro,
I
it
killed him,
doesn't
dude! Where's my
matter.
payment? Where's my payment?
I'll give you your payment.
Dude.
Bro, can somebody Bro, can somebody go mining with me at least?
Yeah, me. I'm
Okay,
the money.
paid.
okay. Who said that? Who said that?
Me with my hands raised.
Skibidi Rizzler.
Okay, you have to get weapons. Get weapons so you and me can defeat the spider. Give me this. I need that for my
Bet,
weapon.
actually?
Yeah. Yeah, there's actually a spider there.
Yo,
Fuck
yo,
you.
look at what we got as our payment, dude. Look at
Okay,
what
give
we
me
got.
give me
What
that.
else
I
did you
need
get?
what? Dude, you.
Yo, what?
You.
Yo,
You.
Yo,
Is there anybody who you would like me to assassinate?
I got more
Anybody
eggs.
who you would like you? Who
Hey,
wants to go
wait,
mining?
wait.
You want to go mining with me?
no.
I want to.
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
You?
okay.
Okay, you two.
Yeah.
Okay, you two
got
get
more
useful.
eggs.
You two get you two get weapons so we can defeat the spider.
Okay,
'cause
this.
it's gonna be
I
hard
already
getting
have a
into-
weapon right here.
No, get more weapons. Like get like a shotgun or something for me to use.
I'm
Like give
sorry.
me something to use
Okay, I'll use.
so I can defeat the spider. Oh. Thank you.
I
Thank you
don't
so
need
much.
security, bitch. I keep that drink.
Come on,
on
now
my
come,
stomach.
come.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, come on. Wait, we need mine. We need ammo. We need ammo.
How
Get
much
a bag.
damage
and
does
fill
the
it up.
baseball bat do?
Let's just go. Okay, come on. Let's go. Follow me, guys. Follow me.
Do you want this baseball bat? There you go.
Come, guys. Come. You three, come.
Revive me! He killed me!
Guys, come.
He killed me! He killed me!
Dude, you're the only one. Come. We gotta go. Come on, hurry.
Yes, I killed somebody.
Nice.
Yes.
Yo, Red, can you hire me again, please? Bro, please hire me again, Red.
I need my payment.
Red, please hire me again.
Is there any people that are trying to do money stuff? I need money. I had got $16 on my name.
That's
Oh,
crazy.
I'm also in need of money.
Can anybody do a money code or something?
Wait, who here wants to pay me to literally assassinate people?
Oh yeah, me too. Me and him are trying to get hired.
Please, I'm poor.
Guys want to get hired?
I'm in an apartment. Please.
No, let me do this one because you got the last.
Okay,
payment.
yeah,
I haven't got mine. Okay.
Yeah, sure. You have some assassinate somebody.
Who do I
Okay,
kill?
but what's your payment? What's your payment?
I'll
Yeah,
give
let's-
you guys. I'll give you
Hurry
guys
up.
a big item.
Oh, bet. So who do you want me to kill?
This guy right here, the policeman.
The wait, who?
The policeman.
Yeah,
good luck.
We're not talking about you. We're talking about someone else.
Yeah, it's the policeman. It's the policeman for the Nether
Bro,
game.
I teleport when I eat broccoli. Good luck.
Bro, where did this guy go?
He went over there. Oh, he's gone. That's so weird.
No.
Oh! Yo, kill
Yeah, y'all
him!
got fucking
Yo,
killed.
kill him! Kill him! He's right
I'm
here!
still alive. I'm still alive, boy.
Give me an RPG! Give me an RPG!
Buddy, you are not getting me.
Yeah, right. Where are you? Are you scared? Makes sense.
I might be hot.
I'm coming back into caves. I got a light.
Yo, partner, I need your help. Imagine being scared.
8,000.
Where are you? Oh, I'm scared. LOL. Partner, I need a bit of help. I see you. You can't run from me.
I'm gonna take some, bro.
Who wants to go mining? Who wants to go mining? If you guys come
I'm gonna
mining with me,
eat
I'll
you.
give you good items. I'll give you good
Bro, you're
items.
gonna
if you
get
guys come.
No.
Bro, can somebody?
Put the pin.
Papa Bean.
Where is this guy? He's
Bananini.
cooked.
Kill him!
Guys, kill
Wait, what?
him! My job is to assassinate him!
No,
see him.
he teleported. He teleported again. Yo, kill the guy with that thing.
Brum, brum, patapim.
Pin.
Brum, brum, patapim.
Put the pin.
Papa Bean.
Put the pin.
This lobby sucks. Let's go to another lobby.
Yeah. Here, I'll join a lobby again.
Okay, same.
You stupid. You can't. Ain't no way, bro's flexing with that thing, bro. Ain't no way you're flexing with that. I can finally buy my RPG.
So much money! Guys, thank me for giving you guys 5,000.
Where's my higher man? Where's your teammate?
Well, the thing that happened is, he quit. Because
he
this
quit?
guy, this lobby kind of suck, and
Quit? He quit my job? He quit?
Yeah,
On green.
I have to go.
Crazy.
That will be the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it.
Kill me, huh?
Bye!
Who wants to go mining?